Hi everyone, my name is Manushree. I am studying 9th class in Mathman High School, Vijayawada. Today, the topic given for us is tender cut from the editorial page of Hindu newspaper. Instead of shutting out cryptocurrencies, the government must ensure smart regulation. The government statement about bringing in a law of cryptocurrencies is welcome, as it could put an end to the existing ambiguity over the legality of these currencies in India. The vagueness exists notwithstanding the fact that the government has from time to time suggested that it does not consider them to be legal tender. It has not, however, been able to channel this understandable disapproval arising out of the fact that such currencies are highly volatile, used for illicit internet transactions and wholly outside the ambit of the state. In 2018, the RBI did send a circular to banks directing them not to provide services for those trading in cryptocurrencies. But this was eventually set aside by the Supreme Court, which found the circular to be disproportionate given that the central bank has consistently maintained that virtual currencies were not banned in India. Also, the RBI could not show that entities that it regulated were adversely impacted by exchanges dealing in virtual currencies. The Minister of State for Finance Anurag Thakur, who on Tuesday confirmed in the Rajya Sabha that a bill was in the offing, highlighted the complexity in regulation. He said regulatory bodies like RBI and SEBI, etc., also don't have a legal framework to directly regulate cryptocurrencies, as they are neither currencies nor assets or securities or commodities issued by an indefinite identifiable user. This legal ambivalence has not however been able to prevent cryptocurrencies from having a growing clientele in India. Their attraction may only grow now, given that the most new known of them, also the most valuable Bitcoin, has hit new peaks in price and is gaining influential followers such as Tesla founder Elon Musk. So, what will Bill seek to do? Those associated with this niche but growing ecosystem will be worried about this question the most. Cryptocurrency exchanges which have sprung up are reportedly lobbying with the government to make sure that these currencies are regulated rather than banned outright. Smart regulation is preferable, as a ban on something that is based on a technology of distributed ledger cannot be implemented for all the practical purposes. Even in China, where cryptocurrencies have been banned and the internet is controlled, trading in cryptocurrencies has been low but not non-existent, as our India Interministerial Committee found out. So this is our today's topic on trend out. Thank you.